Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're about to witness our seventh step. We open our step 7 and we start right away. Here we see our stairs, which we have created in the last step. Now we'd like to add some railings, so we switch into the second level view. We use the tile window tool with the shortcut WT, and we use the set 8 shortcut to fit our views. Now we select railing and we draw a line along the border of our second floor. If we're done with that, we finish our mode. In our 3D view, you see here our brand new railings. Now we close our second level view and maximize our 3D view. Further, we want to create a custom curtain wall, so we select our front facade and we use the sunglass tool and select here isolate element, and we use our view cube to switch into the left side view. Now we switch in our home tab and select curtain grid, and we draw our first curtain grid line at about 1 meter. This is one way to create curtain grids, but we'll show you a faster one. So we select our element and we switch in our element properties and click edit type. Here we'll duplicate our curtain wall and rename it to curtain wall MPK. First of all, we like to do some modifications. We select our vertical grid pattern layout and set it to fixed distance, and we changed the spacing to 2 meters. In the horizontal grid pattern, we'll change the layout to fixed distance 2 and a spacing of 3 meters. Okay. So now we have here generated grid. We can also move our grid lines, so we select our grid lines, and with the temporary dimensions we can set it to 0.6 meters, for example, and we can also move the generated grid lines. So we select the grid lines, unpin them, and now we have the possibility to move them around. With the Ctrl+C shortcut we can undo our action. There is also a very useful tool to design your curtain wall. So we select our curtain wall grid and we use the all except picked tool. Draw a line at about 80 centimeters and we click on every second panel. With the escape button we finish that tool. And here we have our custom curtain wall. Now we just have to copy the grid lines. So we copy both of our grid lines, select them, and in our contextual tab we use the copy tool and check if we have multiple activated and copy them down 2 times. So that's it basically. Now we have to add some mullions. So we rotate our facade and we add some mullions. So we select mullions and select the all grid lines tool. We check if we have rectangular mullions 50 times 150 millimeters activated and click on our curtain wall. Here our mullions have been created. We select one panel and use a right mouse button to select panel along horizontal grid. We unpin all of our panels so we can make changements. And we select in our properties curtain wall awning. So that's it. Now we can exit our temporary view. Now we want to change the element property. So we select one curtain wall and right mouse click, select all instances in entire project. Now we have all curtain walls of the same type selected, and we change the element properties to storefront MPK. Now we want to add a door to our ground level, so we have to divide a panel, and we switch in our home tab to curtain grid and select here one segment. Now we just have to delete a mullion. Select that mullion, unpin it, and delete it. We select our single panel and change the element properties to store front double door. So that's it for our 7th step. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll be back.